These are the 5 car batteries that drain your wallet and leave you stranded, along with the 5 that truly deliver 8 years or more of reliable service. Most drivers replace their battery every 3 to 5 years because they pick the wrong one. A quality unit should last up to 10 years, but that lifespan only happens when you install the correct model from the start. Walk into any auto parts store or scroll through any online listing, and the choices feel endless. Many batteries share a basic shape, yet they come in dozens of different sizes and terminal configurations. Some cost twice as much as others for no obvious reason, and the packaging on every single one promises long life and strong performance. This video cuts through all of that noise. You will know exactly which options mechanics quietly warn people about, and which ones earn their reputation by running strong year after year without complaint. Begin with the models to avoid. Begin with the EverStart value line. Do not assume this covers every EverStart product. This budget tier offering reflects its pricing in its poor performance. Mechanics and everyday drivers report these failing inside a single year, especially in regions with harsh winters or brutal summer heat. Reserve capacity sits too low to handle the demands of a modern vehicle, meaning the moment temperatures drop or your accessories pull extra power, this battery gives up well ahead of schedule. The EverStart name carries weight in the market, but the value tier undercuts that reputation in every measurable way. Avoid the standard blacktop Duralast next. AutoZone sells multiple tiers of this brand, and the gold and platinum versions are solid products worth considering. The basic blacktop model is an entirely different story. Its cold cranking performance remains competitive with other major brands at the same price point, meeting the original equipment requirements for your vehicle. Install that battery in a truck or any car running over rough roads regularly, and the weak internal construction degrades faster from constant vibration, accelerating plate breakdown. Many drivers who go this route find themselves back at the store counter in 2 to 3 years. Budget no-name brands from online marketplaces present another significant risk. Brands like Wise or Mighty Maxx appear constantly, priced low enough to look like a sharp buy. Quality control on these products remains notoriously unreliable. Some arrive completely dead straight out of the box. Their published power ratings frequently do not reflect actual real-world output, meaning the unit you purchased thinking it had strong starting power fails to deliver that when it counts most. Saving $30 up front and then replacing the part 14 months later costs more overall than buying something dependable from the beginning. Skip the low-tier Exide batteries. Exide manufactures a wide range across different performance levels, but their entry-level models tend to surface at quick lube shops and small independent garages as emergency replacement options. Core problems live inside the battery physical construction. Lead plates in these discount models are noticeably thinner than what mid-range or premium options use. Thin plates lose their charge-holding ability fast, particularly under repeated deep discharge cycles. Accidentally leave your lights on twice, and this unit may never recover its original capacity, leaving you to nurse a weakened power source for the rest of its shortened life. This warning often surprises buyers. Avoid any battery carrying an old manufacturing date, regardless of the brand name on the label. Every battery has a date sticker or stamped code telling you exactly when it came off the production line. A unit sitting on a store shelf for more than 6 months has already begun losing capacity, even without ever powering a single car. Chemical processes inside the cells do not pause just because the item sits in storage. Check that date before you hand over your money. A premium battery from a trusted brand becomes a mediocre performer after months of warehouse time. Paying top-tier prices for a product already past its prime is an easily avoidable mistake in this category. Now, review the 5 that actually back up their promises. Taking the top spot, Odyssey Extreme Series AGM batteries earn their place for proven, well-documented reasons. Thin, pure lead plates inside allow for more surface area and starting power, and withstand conditions that destroy lower-tier competitors, including heavy road vibration, freezing cold, and sustained high heat. Drivers regularly report 10 years of dependable service from these, and that track record holds across multiple vehicle types and climates. Upfront costs run higher than most items on the shelf, but when a unit lasts that long, the math shifts heavily in your favor. For a driver who wants one battery that handles whatever life throws at it without a second thought, this is the one to reach for. Look at Interstate batteries in AGM format. Mechanics trust this brand across the board, and that trust comes from years of reliable field performance, rather than marketing claims. Interstate AGM units handle the demands of daily driving without any notable weaknesses, and they hold up particularly well in high-heat environments where budget alternatives fade within a couple of seasons. Internal build quality stays uniform from unit to unit, meaning you are not playing a lottery with manufacturing quality every time you buy. High-mileage drivers and daily commuters repeatedly rank Interstate among the most reliable options available at any price. DieHard Platinum AGM earns a spot easily. AGM stands for Absorbent Glass Matte, and that design difference matters more than the name suggests. A standard flooded battery can leak acid if tipped, discharges unevenly under repeated drain cycles, and struggles when your vehicle constantly pulls power while the engine sits off. DieHard Platinum absorbs deep discharge cycles better than standard alternatives, minimizing lasting damage to its internal structure. Modern vehicles run security alarms, keyless receivers, and background computer modules that draw power continuously even when parked. That load wears out a conventional battery ahead of schedule, but the AGM build handles those cycles and keeps delivering. If your car rolled off a dealership lot within the last 5 years, the extra investment in AGM pays for itself. Do not overlook the ACDelco Gold line. ACDelco built its standing as the factory-spec brand for General Motors vehicles, but these batteries fit any car on the road. Manufacturing standards remain strict because factory specifications demanded it from the beginning, and that discipline carries over into every battery they produce for the consumer market. Cold weather starting power ranks among the strongest in its price class, and drivers in northern states regularly report fast, clean engine starts even on mornings when temperatures plunge well below freezing. For the price point, the ACDelco Gold delivers steady performance that mid-range competitors rarely match across the board. This final recommendation surprises many buyers. EverStart Maxx shares a name with the value tier, but nothing else is identical. This line brings strong starting power, solid reserve capacity, and a warranty that signals authentic manufacturer confidence in the product. Regular drivers report 5 years or more of reliable service from these batteries, and the price stays accessible enough to make it one of the best value propositions in the entire category. Brand names alone do not tell the whole story. Specific product tiers within a brand matter just as much, sometimes more. 2 points protect whatever battery you choose. AGM batteries cost more upfront than standard flooded alternatives. That initial price tag looks intimidating, but the long-term economics actually work out better. Buying a cheaper flooded model might save $50 today, but replacing it 2 years early wipes out those savings entirely. Upgrading to the advanced construction of an AGM means you buy fewer batteries over the life of your vehicle, making the higher initial cost a smarter financial calculation in the end. Short trips also ruin batteries faster than almost any other factor. A 5-minute drive to pick up coffee every morning does not give your alternator enough time to replenish what starting the engine consumed. Over weeks and months, that deficit compounds quietly. Even a top-tier battery starts losing capacity ahead of schedule when it never gets a complete recharge. One longer drive per week gives the system enough time to top off completely and keeps the internal chemistry stable over the long run. Buy the right battery. Check that manufacturing date before you leave the store, and a long lifespan of reliable service stops being something that happens to other people's cars and starts being your standard expectation.